Fashion Week is no longer accessible only to designers and celebrities from the West. In fact, the Indian representation this year is huge. Let's start with Janhvi Kapoor, who made an amazing debut on the international stage for Rahul Mishra's Couture Fall 2024 collection Aura in Paris on Monday. The actor walked confidently and exuded a supermodel aura, taking the internet by storm. Janhvi strutted down the runway in a black strapless bustier top featuring a deep neckline, cropped curved hem, and sequined embellishments all over. This came with a high-waisted mermaid skirt featuring a scallop tiered design embellished with purple, green and gold embellishments and a dramatic train. Janhvi's look had no accessories apart from multiple fingerings. Makeup-wise, she was given a dewy base, coal lined eyes and a beaming highlighter. Her center-parted open hairstyle only added oodles of oomph to her overall look. We mean, just look at her. Another actor who stole the show was Radhika Apte. She walked for designer Vaishali Shadangule in a unique ensemble that looked more like a divine piece of art. Radhika also wore diamond jewelry from Tanishq and looked spectacular. We also could not take our eyes off Sonam Kapoor, who attended Dior's Haute Couture Fall-Winter show. Sonam, being the global fashion icon that she is, showed her fashion prowess in a statement leather jacket in a rich brown hue. She paired it with a grey wool skirt, blue shirt, a navy polka dot tie, and Dior's iconic Spectre Dior pump, which screamed charm and sophistication. Then there's the pretty woman herself, Preity Zinta, who attended Rahul Mishra's show. She was there for the drama as she picked a white and silver gown paired with a black fascinator. And then we have Indian entrepreneur Mona Patel, who wore a pristine white dress by Stephanie Rowland from the Spring 2024 Couture collection. She gave a Greek goddess vibe as she finished the look with a golden headgear. Like we said, all our Indian girlies are on a roll and they are here to stay. Who, according to you, slayed the most? Share your pick in the comments and do subscribe to Shosha for more on fashion, celebrities and latest trends.